This is the spinal stabilization exercise. So this is one of the most important exercises when it comes to creating a certain amount of tenseness in the body. And so what that tenseness does is, one, it helps align the body, but the other thing it really does that's important is it helps take pressure off of our joints. So if we've been experiencing back pain, knee pain, we can create this tension and help take some of that pressure off the joints. So it's a 4-step exercise, and we'll walk you through each step. So the first step is going to be squeezing the glutes as tight as you can. So what this does is, again, if our pelvis is rotated forward or our pelvis is rotated backwards, when we squeeze our glutes as tight as we can, it brings us back up into our natural alignment. So that's step 1. Step 2 is going to be contract the abs. So now again, we're creating that tenseness all around our core here. Again, maintaining that squeezing in the glutes. So now we got glutes squeezed, core squeezed. Third is we're going to take our shoulders and we're going to roll them back into place. And so this is going to create a lot of tension in the upper back, but I'm still squeezing my glutes, still squeezing my core. And then the last thing we're going to do, step 4, is taking the chin and pulling it back that way. So we'll go through it one more time. We're going to squeeze the glutes as tight as we can. We're going to squeeze the core as tight as we can. We're going to screw our shoulders in place, and then we're going to tuck our chin backwards like this, and we're going to hold for 5 seconds. And it should be a nice, strong position. This should be difficult to hold, and then we relax. We can shake it out.